Hello. We worked out today, we ate lunch, and now it's time for a protein shake. And not any protein shake. I'm going to try to DIY this protein shake that you can buy at the Vitamin Shack or the protein shop. It's called the Missy. So I'm gonna try to make it here at home. The first thing that I have here to start with is some rice milk, 1 banana, a half a cup of oats, a scoop of protein, some pineapple, some pecans to top it off with, and of course some ice. I'm gonna start off with the rice milk, and I think I'm gonna do a cup of this. Of that. Half a cup of oats. Half a cup is enough. I think it's already too much. 1 banana. Pineapple is cut. I use this nice little contraption to cut it. Look how nice this is. So I'm gonna do about, so we're gonna do one of those. 1 scoop of protein. So we're gonna do 1 scoop of that. So we'll add a good amount of ice. I'm also gonna add a little bit of water. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all together. And just top it off with some extra pecans. And there you have it, a Missy at home. And that was my DIY protein shake video of the Missy. If you have any recommendations on what to DIY next, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching, guys.